This is not financial advice. Hello everyone, this is Safe Investor AG, HBAR Simp, Saucy Warrior, and today I want to show you guys my final adjustments that I made in my crypto wallet, spread out in some micros, and I'm going to be specific. So why? Because the consolidation is getting very bullish. In my opinion, this is not financial advice. Very, very, very bullish. So I want to show you Saucerswap's chart. So if you see here, every time there's a peak, look at the past tendency. When he peaks, there's a sharp drop. So the first one was a 2.6 cents, sharp drop, bam. Okay, I mean within a week or two, it's already like down 15 to 30%. Just massively. Okay, so you know, next peak right here was at 3. It was at 3 cents. Then, and that was on November 4th, and then by November 9th or 10th, it was already at 2 cents, almost 1.9. The next peak. So as you can see, there's the sharp drops, very sharp, bam. But on the last spike, which was 4 cents, it's almost as if it's trying to drop. But the minute it drops, buyers buy it up. Yep. And right here, you can see right here at these levels, it tried to drop and bam, it got bought up. Bam, it got bought up. And then it bounced there 3 times and then it went up almost to 4 cents again. Sharp drop again. But it's trying to drop below this 2.8, 2.9 cent area. But every time it bounces, so it's bounced already twice. And then look at the liquidity chart. The liquidity chart, it's going sideways. See that? It's going sideways. So right now there's 26 million locked in liquidity. So it's going as predicted. I mean, it's trading sideways, and sideways trading is extremely bullish. Now let's look at the volume. The trade volume is already 117 million with circulating supply of 351 million. So an explosion is just so you guys know, my biggest bags are still my biggest bags. So an explosion is inevitable. It's not an if, it's a when. It's inevitable. So, and I think they might want to let this bad boy explode ASAP before it catches more people's attention, because remember, my conspiracy theory is that the government doesn't want us to get rich or to get, very wealthy. So if more people find out about this, more people will join in the explosion when it occurs. And then look at the micros. It's looking green. They're all looking very green. Dovu, 9%. And we have some massive winners currently right now. Dovu, okay, it's a good winner. Cream, it's a good winner. We have HBAR Suite still in the negative. And then Hedera Digital Currency, okay, it's up 25%. And then we have Hash Mingos, that was on 20%. Not a protocol, 16%. I mean, we're starting to see some of these bounce. BYZ, these micros. So how did I adjust my portfolio? Well, simple. So I sold some of my ETT token and a little bit of my DRELF to spread them out. So I bought some lazy, got 4,000 of lazy token, and I bought some cream token. So I want to be completely spread. And on these and what my biggest convictions, which is jam. Okay, I got Obviously, I'm in the hundreds in here, and I'm holding $1 million, and one I don't know, but one I bought a little more of is Hedera digital currency and no more. So I guess you can say this one is my all-time biggest gamble. I bought right now I have 30 million, and I'm gonna hold it. That's because and I'm trying to buy all the coins, mini lottery tickets that has HBAR, Hedera, or Hashgraph name in it. So Hedera Reserve, I'm gonna buy some of these. Already got some Hedera digital currency. This is a currency in the HBAR suite ecosystem, and got some HBAR suite as well. And I don't want to leave any of them out, but my biggest conviction will obviously be HBAR. Nothing's going to deter me from it. That's my biggest bag. And then my second safest is Sauce. Yeah. So time is ticking. The graph is looking juicy and juicy. Remember, when it detonates, when it explodes, typically it explodes hard and fast. Like, look over here. This is the second time. This was Halloween, okay, when it was a 2.2 cent. By November 4th, it was already at 3 cents. All right, that's almost a 50% spike. Over here, same thing. This was November 27th. It was at 2.3 cents. By December 3rd, just 5 days, it was already at 3.3 cents. Okay, so that's what, like a maybe 40% spike. And then this was the scariest one. That was at 2 cents, 1.9 cents. I remember this bouncing. This was January 6th. By January 21st, that's about 2 whole weeks, just about. It was already at 4 cents. I know it registered here at 3.6 cents, but it was actually 4 cents. So in a matter of 2 weeks, it 2x'd. It just, explode. And this thing, it's been consolidating, and it's going like clockwork. It's going, I can't believe how it's going according to prediction. And so I'm ready. I don't care if it takes another, month or two. I'm gonna keep accumulating sauce and HBAR, but I put some skin in the game in some of my some micros that might explode, and I am gonna start a big position in big. When I say big, I mean like jam size, and Galaxy and Headstarter, and I'm gonna hold those because those are amazing projects as well. And Galaxy tokens at 19 cents, Headstarter is at 1.9. So I think those are amazing projects, and volume is gonna trickle into the ecosystem, and who's gonna win? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know when a multimillionaire decides to invest $500,000 or $1 million, and bam, just dump it into one of these, and just kaboom, explode. Or a billionaire decides to, I'm gonna dump 100 million. Saucerswap's just gonna explode, and then I have no clue where it'll trickle down to, but I'm convinced one of these will explode, and that's what it's looking. The retail investors are buying it, and they're buying it, and they're buying it, and they keep buying it. It's looking mighty yummy. Saucerswap is. So, all right, that's my quick Saucerswap update. That's how I adjusted my portfolio to spread out into some more micros, and I do eventually want to own. I mean, if this bear market lasts another month or two, I want to at least have $10 on each of these. So whatever I'm not holding on all of these, $10. That's more than doable. All right. So, all right, y'all have a good day. Stay saucy. Bye.